Hi guys and welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm planning to do here some programming tutorials, try out some distros and test some gadgets. Today I want to show you how to install Java and how to install an IDE. First of all, we need an IDE. I would recommend to download IntelliJ Community Edition because the Ultimate Edition is a paid version. So you could try it out for 30 days, but after it you have to pay for it. So I will download the community edition and it's still fine for our use case. While it's downloading, I would search for the OpenJDK. I prefer Startpage as search engine. I just searched here for OpenJDK download Windows and found a Microsoft link where I could download the OpenJDK. Here we got two options. We could download the MSI or the zip file. I go with the MSA file. Okay, once the download finished, I would start with the installation of OpenJDK. Here it would be important to set the Java home variable. So I choose the entire feature will be installed on the local hard drive. And while it's installing, I would explain why we need the OpenJDK. The OpenJDK is important to run Java programs within the command line. I would show it you in the next video. After the installation, I press Windows R to get the run window. Here I put in the CMD to receive the command line of Windows. To check if the installation is fine, I would write java-version. Now we can see the version of OpenJDK we installed. Now you can also check if Java C is installed. I would type Java C in the command line and just check if I could get an answer. Then I would continue with the IntelliJ installation. Here I would check the add bin folder to the path, so IntelliJ can see the installation of our OpenJDK. I have to restart my Windows VM after the installation. I would do that. So what you would see would be my restarted Windows after the cut. Okay, I restarted my virtual machine now and would start now IntelliJ. Okay, next I would open my new project. I'm starting with the project name Hello World. I will let the location default. Check if the Java and IntelliJ is chosen. And the version 17 is also fine. But if you want to, you could also download a different version from IntelliJ. You are able to choose a Java version and the vendor where you want to get it. But all in all, every Java version should be pretty the same and doesn't matter from which vendor you got it. Then I uncheck the add sample code and click on create. Then we got our project. Next, I would create a module and name it Hello World app. Localization, again standard, and create. Then we got our module Hello World app. Now right click on the source, create a new package. Would explain it later what it does exactly, but I would do it per default because it's getting important for us later. Now I would call our new package app and then create a new Java class in our app. I would call it main. If you would ever forget to create a package, it wouldn't be a problem. I could show it to you how it would work to paint it in later. As you can see, the package and the name is now missing. Now you could drop your class into the package, click refactor, and everything is fine again. Now you could see the package and the name is here again. You got here the public class main. Here it's important the class have to get the same name as the file. Right. The default method of Java is every time public static void main string args. What that means, I would explain it later. To write a Hello World program, you have to type in system out println, bracket quotation mark, and everything what's within the quotation mark it would print out. Don't forget the semicolon, so if you forget it, you would get an error message. IntelliJ got sometimes an autocompletion, so if you would see the command you want to write, you could press tab and then it would autocomplete for you. With Shift and F10, it would run your program, shortcut for IntelliJ. In IntelliJ, it's good to know if you are writing as out, it would write system out println for you. You just have to press enter and it would autocomplete it for you. Okay, that's it for this video. What you would expect in the next video is I would explain you what this args means in our main method and how to run this program over the command line. All in all, everything is installed now, so everything should work now. Alright, see you in the next video.